This is gonna knock you.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
6 Trinity M-15s. And they're wired to 0.67 on 2 sound cube 10Ks.
Wow. Oh, those are 10Ks. Wow.
Yeah, on 150 amp hours of skip.
Okay. And that's a 6-order port in the back?
Yeah.
That's a cool layout. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice. Did a good job.
It used to be a 4th order. We converted it.
You turned it, okay. That was a lot of work to turn it, I bet. Do you like the 6 more?
It's more fun.
Yeah.
I don't know if I even want to change, man.
Yeah.
I don't know. This thing is really, really impressing me.
You've got the science down on it.
We woke it up yesterday. A buddy of mine, Justin, on our team, we were sitting in line waiting to get in here, and he said, let me make a couple adjustments on your DSP. I got the subs going through the DSP.
Yeah.
You know what it was? We turned the filter off. We had I had the Butterworth filter on.
Oh, wow.
We turned it off, and it woke up.
That's because it was cut. Something was cut.
Yes,
You were cutting off like 18 dB or something.
Yeah, it was cutting off
at
at 12.
octave. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. And I didn't know it was turned on.
Wow.
I really didn't.
Dang. Yeah, I've never liked DSPs, but they can help with some things. So.
It goes to a harness.
Yeah.
Out there to the alternator.
Okay.
And you can control your voltage.
Yeah, it's got a potentiometer thing in it. Yeah. Okay. How high does that run up to?
15 or 16.
Okay.
But I can't get it to 16.
Oh, really? Shit, I had mine up at fucking 18 on accident Friday. I was doing the diode thing, and I put, I think 3 together, and it went to 15.2, so I was like, all right, cool, I'm gonna put 2 more on it. That should put me at 15.8. But once I soldered them, that shit ran up to 17, and then slowly crept up to over 18. I was like, motherfucker.
Be careful in that new vehicle. They don't like that high voltage.
Yeah, they on and off.
No.
Every light keeps cutting on. The collision warning, the radar, the cameras, the ABS, the e-brake.
Yep.
They don't like it at all. So I want to get the knobs so that if I'm demoing, I can crank it up a little bit, and then when I go to drive, turn it down some. Because if it's like 15.4 and below, it's fine. Once it gets over 15.4, all the lights start going off. The USB that you were talking about, man, you want to get rid of it? You got some decent shit on it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, give me 20 bucks. I paid 40 for it.
This thing's got 100,000 songs on it?
Oh, no.
No?
No. That's this.
Oh, the what?
Yeah.
What do you got on the USB?
I don't know. It's DJ Dirty Bass.
Oh, that might be the same shit I already bought there. That was the one I was trying to figure out. I just bought it and ran into them.
Right.
I'm glad to get your demo on, man. I ain't gonna stop it. I appreciate it. It's a bad motherfucker, man. I like it.
Thank you. Brother.
Your name again?
John.
Thanks, John. JacobViral.
Hey, man. Be safe.
Yes, sir. You too. Oh, your door is real heavy. Wow. Man, it's solid.
This right here.
Okay, on the other side.
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about that.
Okay, then thanks, John Pittman. I got a fun. We might. I don't know yet.
Hey, if I don't see you tomorrow, I'll holler at you.
Huh?
I said I gotta go pick Trevor's subs up.
I can play 22 to 43.
Okay, wow.
This is gonna knock you.
Dude, that really hits my back.
No, this is gonna get you worse.
Okay. Well, if I don't see you tomorrow, I'll holler at you.
use discount code JacobViral when you shop